Yeah, look what's coming. Donnie wanted me to come up and look at his new tractor. Spreading clover seed on this wheat. Uh-oh. I get to go for a ride. There's even a puppy dog in there. Now what are we doing?
Spreading clover seed.
What?
Spreading clover seed.
Clover seed. Oh boy. Where's the front of the tractor at? Ain't nothing out there. Uh-oh. This got a radar to tell you how to drive it? Right?
Yeah.
Oh, bouncy bounce. What you doing in the back? Grass. Ain't too bad. How much? 15. Oops. Now we go back the other way. Got a question for you. There's a grass waterway.
Yeah.
Why you got the water running down the field 50 feet away from the grass waterway?
Where's the water runs?
Well, what's good to do to have the grass waterway where it is?
The waterway's 20 years old.
Oh, you're gonna have to move it.
Run off from the neighbor fills the waterway in. Neighbor don't run the waterway.
Looks like you need to put a grass waterway in here.
Got a gravel waterway there.
No, that don't count.
You got waterways and got waterways across the side too.
I know, you got places in my field.
It's because the waterway is higher than the rest of the field. The waterways only last 20 years. You need to redo your waterways, that's why. Making a new one ain't gonna make it no better.
You need a new government subsidy now, don't you? To make it, move it. Make it
spend $100,000 on a $5,000 waterway.
I know. Yeah, that's a government deal. What'd you plant this wheat with? Grain drill or the corn planter? Planted wheat with a corn planter. What'd you do that for?
All I have.
Does it work any better this way, or?
Real fast.
Will the wheat grow bigger when it's spread out a little bit?
It's about the same.
It's about the same. All right. All right. We could stop down here for a minute. I had about enough of this already.
You got one more swipe done.
One more and we're done. All right, gonna go again.
Triangle piece.
How can you stand to drive a tractor like this out in the cold all day long?
Oh, put some gloves on and that. Dog keeping it.
Looks almost like setting it home, ain't it? Well, one more turn around and I can get out of here. Now where you going?
Right down the road to across the field. Got that all done.
Huh?
Got that all done.
That's done? Hey.
Bump there.
Yeah, there's a bump there, I guess. Now we're going to spread grass seed on the road, huh? Does this thing go real fast?
25 on
How much?
25 on
25. This goes just about as fast as my truck does, doesn't it? All right. Well, there's my car. I guess I can get out of here pretty soon. All right. Thanks for the ride. Hey. Now what are you doing?
Check see how much I got left.
You want to tell YouTube anything?
I don't know.
Is this tractor really good?
Well, so far it's okay.
Good. Okay. Better than that big John Deere, or about the same?
About the same.
Okay. All right.
Payments are better.
Payments are better. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's all. Is it empty? Boy,
About a bag left.
that won't last very long.
It's been up for 5 acres.
Well, if you run out on the far side, not too close to the road. Because that run out close to the road looks bad. All right. Okay. Well, I better get home and get to work. Thanks for the ride.